In the dynamic world of manufacturing, optimizing processes and unlocking new possibilities are key. When it comes to mold creation, traditional approaches can be laborious, expensive, and limit design flexibility. It often requires skilled machinists, lengthy lead times, and expensive tooling. One of the key advantages of using additive manufacturing for molds is the ability to create complex geometries and intricate details that are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This opens up a world of possibilities for designers and engineers. With additive manufacturing, you can streamline the entire process. With Stratasys thermoplastics and photopolymers, molds can be quickly produced to evaluate prototype parts or produce low volumes of end-use parts. Additionally, additive manufacturing enables on-demand production. With additively manufactured molds, you can quickly produce low to medium quantities of parts without the need for expensive tooling or time-consuming setup. Stratasys boasts a comprehensive lineup of printers, including FDM, PolyJet, P3, which is a form of DLP, SLA, and SAS, a powder bed system. By leveraging additive manufacturing for mold production, you can drastically reduce lead times and costs. Iterations and design changes can be easily implemented, allowing for faster product development and improved time to market. If you're looking to optimize your mold production process, consider the benefits of additive manufacturing. With Trimex's expertise and Stratasys' cutting-edge 3D printing technologies, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and design freedom.